important part which Vedic tradition people were avoiding continuously. Especially in the Hindu tradition, people were always thinking, if you get enlightened, that's enough. Now that is not going to be enough. That is not going to be enough. What are you going to do? Sitting in just empty island, all by yourself, having few trees which will give fruit for your food. Not only you escaping, save few people so that you can celebrate your life with them. Save planet Earth. We have put our ancestors, our elders, our predecessors put too much energy to create this huge infrastructure. Let it not be destroyed by foolish, unconscious politicians and unconscious religious theories, theologies, which goes on creating hatred amongst each other and becoming base for terrorism in the planet Earth. Two things. One, you falling in tune with the less thought space means learning the science of unclutching and using this 2012 less thought, more action zone for enlightenment. Use this as a jumping pad to get enlightened. This is the first thing. Second thing, now itself go all out, work hard, put at least 4 or 5 hours to save planet Earth by spreading the science of unclutching. That is why I am saying all the important science and the technology which is needed to save planet Earth and raise its consciousness, I am making it completely freely available in the social media and mass media and internet. I am not asking you to popularize my name as author, no. I am requesting you, take this science and spread it all over the world like a wildfire. The science of enlightenment, feeling comfortable with less thoughts through unclutching. So if you spread this science, especially the decision makers, people who decide for you, your political leaders, your social leaders, your religious leaders, give them all this science, give them all this great truth of what planet Earth is going through. She is really delivering. She is just delivering new consciousness. See, during the Krishna's happening, the same thing happened. People who are not able to evolve themselves to the level of less thought, more actions. Krishna saw these guys are going to be dangerous. So he just created the war under the controlled conditions and finished all of them off. Understand? If Krishna wouldn't have created that Mahabharata war, there would have been huge uncontrolled chaos. So Krishna managed. The whole chaos was in his controlled condition. It's like still now, the Western countries, during the fire season, they do something like a controlled fire and finish off, so that the fire does not become wildfire. It does not go out of control, out of hand. So particular areas, they will burn it and make a fire line. It's called controlled fire. Same way, Krishna created an ambience where the chaos is under the controlled conditions and created and finished everything. Understand? Now in 2012 we are entering the same space. I feel from now to 2012, if we create at least 2 million enlightened beings, People who are comfortable with less thought, more action. By 2012 to 2015, we will have at least 20 million enlightened beings on the planet Earth. We will have enlightened civilization. Please understand, I am not playing with your fear or greed. I am not giving you the dream of utopia. No. I am not giving you the dream of paradise. No. I am not threatening you. I am not frightening you with some fear, prediction. No. I am just straight away stating the simple fact, knowing well I am going to be available in this body, alive, 2012 and 2015 and all, and this video record will be used by people to question me. Knowing this, I am making all these statements. Very responsibly I am talking. Understand? Planet Earth is entering into a space where automatically we are all getting into the zone of less thoughts. All you need is prepare your body and mind. If you prepare your mind with unclutching signs, you will feel comfortable with that less thoughts and you will not fall into depression. You will become enlightened. If you prepare your body also with Hatha Yoga, not only you will become enlightened, you will start expressing extraordinary powers like levitation. I tell you, the levitation is going to be more easy by 2012. Let me announce now itself, by 2012 end, I'll make 10,000 people levitate in one space and create a huge positive consciousness. That is going to be a big push for the human consciousness to enter into the divine consciousness. That will be the opening of Satya Yuga, the age of enlightenment.